Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chromium squishy. First, it's important to understand that chromium is typically a very hard and brittle metal, known for its strength and resistance to corrosion. Making it truly squishy in the way you might think of a toy is not possible. However, we can explore ways to make materials containing chromium more pliable or flexible, which might be what you're looking for. Let's dive into some easy methods to achieve a more adaptable form. One key factor in making chromium more adaptable is its purity. Extremely pure chromium, with a purity level of 99.9% or higher, shows a noticeable increase in ductility compared to less pure forms. Impurities such as carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen, even in tiny amounts like 0.01%, can make the metal significantly more brittle. So, starting with the purest chromium available is your first step towards a more pliable material. Another approach involves temperature and physical form. While not squishy at room temperature, heating chromium to elevated temperatures, such as several hundred degrees Celsius, can significantly increase its malleability and ductility. Additionally, the physical form matters greatly. A very thin sheet or fine wire of chromium will feel much more flexible and less rigid than a thick block, giving a sense of pliability. Think about how a thin metal foil bends easily. Finally, alloying chromium with other metals is an effective way to achieve a more adaptable material. When combined with elements like iron, nickel, or cobalt, chromium forms alloys that can be much more flexible and less brittle than pure chromium. For instance, stainless steel, which contains a significant amount of chromium, is known for its workability. These alloys can be engineered to have specific properties, including enhanced ductility and even superplasticity under the right conditions, making them far from rigid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.